Good morning, my dear students. In the last video, we did the problems up to second problem in exercise 1.4. Now we are going with the third problem. So in the third problem, what is the question? Consider the binary operation cap. See, observe a binary operation that we can mention with anything. Sometimes circle, sometimes star, sometimes cap. That's according to our wish. So here cap is there. On the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 defined by the star A star B, A cap is defined as minimum of A comma B. Means in the two we have to take minimum value. Write the operation table of the operation cap. I already told when operation table comes, we will discuss that operation table in the problem. See, first I am taking the set as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I consider this set as capital A cap B is equal to minimum of A comma B. This is the definition is given. So when operation table means, so we are drawing the table like this. We have to take the set of all elements horizontally and vertically. Now the cap is a binary operation. Now 1 cap 1 means minimum of this is what 1. 1 cap 2 means 1. 1 cap 2 means what? Minimum of 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ minimum ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1. ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಕಾರ 1 comma 3 minimum in between 1 and 3. So 1. Minimum of 1 comma 4 1. Minimum of 1 comma 5 1. Next 2 cap 1. Minimum of this is what 1. Minimum of 2 cap 2 is what 2. Minimum of 2 cap 3 is what 2. Minimum of 2 comma 4 is what 2. Minimum of 2 comma 5 is what 2. Next, when it comes to 3 cap 1. So in the 3 comma what is the minimum? 1. 3 cap 2. In these two, which is minimum 2. 3 comma 3 3 4 3 3 5 3 4 1. In these two minimum is what 1. 4 2. In this one minimum is what 2. 4 3 4 4 4 5 4. Because 4 5 is 4. And how? In these two minimum value is what this one. When it comes to 5 1. In these two 2. In these two 3. In these two 4. 5 comma 5 5. So this is the operation table that he is asking to write the operation table. Now we return the operation table. Next we will go to the fourth problem. See this problem 4. Consider a binary operation star on the set 1 2 3 4 5 given by the following multiplication table. Means this table is given. Now they are asking to find these three. So this is the operation table given on set that one. So while doing the problem, we have to write solution given or let A is equal to set of 1 2 3 4 5 operation table. So write the table once again. See, the same table I am writing here 1 1 1 1 1 1 2 1 2 1 1 1 3 1 1 1 1 3 1 2 1 1 2 1 4 1 1 1 1 1. See, while writing the notes also, see that one write like this. Given let this set is A and operation table is like this. Then after, according to the problem, what they are asking here. First one, they are asking to compute, please evaluate 2 star 3 star 4, which is equal to 2 star 3, 2 star 3, 2 3 means 1 star 4, 1 star 4, 1. Next what they are asking to compute 2 star of 3 star 4. Yesterday also I told first bracket is important. First we have to complete the bracket. Now what is the 2 star 3? 3 star 4 means what? 3 star 4. 3 star 4 is what? 1. And 2 star 1. He is asking only to compute. And what is, whether it is next second one, whether it is commutative. See, when finding the commutative, what we have to check. See, it is a diagonal. Now 1 1 1 1 and 1 1 1 1 2 1 2 1 like this. What is happening when you take a diagonal? If these elements are same, then we say that the elements are symmetric about the principal diagonal. When the elements are symmetric in the principal diagonal means when like that are equal, then we can say then that what is the one? It is symmetric about the principal diagonal. See, in the table, the elements are symmetric about the symmetric on the principal diagonal. Symmetric about the principal diagonal. Therefore, star is commutative. Once again, so because there is no theoretical part on this one, so it is a principal diagonal. Here 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 2 1 2 1. Then what we say? The elements are symmetric about the principal diagonal. When the elements are symmetric about the principal diagonal, then the table is satisfying what? Therefore, star is commutative. Next, third problem. 2 star 3 star 4 star 5 is equal to 2 star 3. 2 star 3 means what? 1. Star of 4 star 5. 4 star 5. It is also 1. What is 1 star 1? 1. So the value of this one is 2 star 3. 2 star 3 1. 1. 4 star 5. 4 star 5 1. Now 1 star 1 is what? 1. So like that we can compute the values from the table. Okay. Next, go to the fifth problem.
What?
See this fifth problem. I already told star, cap, something binary. Here star dash is given. So let star dash be the binary operation on the set. So in the last 3 problems are the same set only. Defined by A star dash B is equal to HCF of A and B. HCF andre artha enandre highest common factor. Highest common factor andre, for example, adu 2 ka 6 comma 9 ಇದೆ. ಈ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಥವಾ 18 ಇದೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 6 ಕಾಮ 18 ಇದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನು? 1 1 ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್, 2 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್, 3 ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್. 3 2 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 3 6 18. Next 6 1 6 3. So like that here 1 2 3 6 are the common factor for these two numbers. In this one highest common factor is what? 6. So what is the meaning of highest common factor? So we have to check the common factor for these two that one, which is the highest number, that is called HCF, highest common factor. Even for example, if you take 2, 4, here what is the common multiple? 1, 1, 2, 2. Thereafter we cannot get. So which is the highest common factor for these two? 2 is the highest common factor. For 3, 9, for example, 3 or 3, 10. For these two, the highest common factor is what? 3 into 1, we can write 10 into 1. So highest common factor is what? 1. So like that, highest common factor means common factor highest value adu highest common factor adu. So solution. So what is given here? The relation means binary operation on these two is HCF of A and B. Is star dash is same as the star defined in the Excel 4. So Excel 4 ಒಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಇದು ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. therefore star dash is same as the star defined in the Excel. ಬದಲು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಾಟ್ ಅವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ yes or no they are asking. See what is the, now I am going to take let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and I am drawing the back operation table for this star dash. So we are writing the binary operation table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Horizontal we taken all elements of set A. Vertical 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1, 1. Here common factor 1 so ಅದರ highest 1. So 1, 2 ಒಳಗೆ highest common factor 1. 1, 3 ಒಳಗೆ 1. 1, 4 ಒಳಗೆ 1. 1, 5 ಒಳಗೆ 1. Common factor 4 into 1 here 1 into 2, 1. 2, 1 ದಲ್ಲಿ highest common factor 1. ಸರ್ ಏನು ಸರ್ 2 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ 2 1 ಇದು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. They are asking what common factor 2, 1 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 2 into 1 1 into 1. So common factor ಏನು highest common factor 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 2, 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 2, 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 into 1 2 into 1. 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ 1 ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ highest ಏನು 2. So highest common factor 2. 2, 3 ದಲ್ಲಿ 1. 2, 4 ದಲ್ಲಿ 2. 2, 5 ದಲ್ಲಿ 1. 2, 4 ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ 2, 4 2 into 1 4 into 1 2 into 1 1 into 2 2 into 2. So common factor 2 is also is there, which is the highest. 3, 1 3, 2 1 3 common factor 3 3, 4 1 3, 5 1 4, 1 4, 2 2 4, 3 1 4, 4 4 4, 5 1 5, 1 5, 2 1 5, 3 1 5, 4 1 5, 5 ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೊಡ್ರಿ 5 into 1 5 into 1. 1 is the common factor and 5 is also common factor, but in the highest is what 5. Observe the previous table. This table both are same. So what is the justification? Therefore star dash is same as the star defined in the exercise 4 problem. Okay, so he is asking to justify your answer, so that is the justification for him. See, let sixth problem. Let's start with the binary operation on n. Means n means the set of natural numbers and defined as a star b is equal to LCM of a and b. See here, first question 5 star 7 is equal to what? LCM of 5 7. What is that one? 35. How you know? 5 1 is 7, 7 1 1, 7 5 is 35. Next the second one 20 star 16 is equal to LCM of 20 comma 16 which is equal to take LCM 20 comma 16. 4 5 are 20, 4 4 are 5 1 4 4 1 5 4 are 22, 4 are 8. 80 is this one. So 20 star 16. LCM of 20 comma 16 is what? 80. 80. Next come to the second problem in this one. See, is star is commutator they are asking. So A star B. A star B is equal to what is the value? A star B is the LCM of A comma B. See, you can take this example. LCM of 20 comma 16 is same as the LCM of 16 comma 8. So which is equal to what we can say? LCM of B comma A. LCM of A and B is same as LCM of B and A, which is equal to B star A. Therefore, what we can say? Star is commutator. Next, third. A star is associated. Now, A star of B star C. So, the same previously what we did, the same thing here also. You take this as A, B. What is that one now? Here, LCM of A and B star C, which is equal to now LCM of A, B star C is what? LCM of B comma C, which is equal to LCM of A comma B and C, which is same as LCM of A and B comma C, which can be written as A star B of star C. So therefore what we can say? Star is associated according to the given operation star. Now, fourth problem. So find the identity of star in N. So identity means, what is the identity generally? A star E star A is equal to A. Then E is said to be, E is said to identity. So for all A belongs to N, A star E star A is equal to 1. A. Then E is said to be identity. So if you want to get the same element, what is there? Only one chance is there, 1. If you take 1 and you take LCM with 1, you always get that element only. LCM of 1 and 2, what will get 2? LCM of 1 and 5, what you will get? 5. So like that, therefore what we can say? So 1 is the identity element in 1 is the identity element in N with respect to star. Next, which elements of N are invertible for the operation star? So invertible means what? For every A belongs to N, there exists B belongs to N such that A star B, B star A is equal to E. E is what here? 1. So R type numbers ಏನಿದೆ? So ನೀವು 3 ತಗೊಂಡು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. 3 ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ? 3 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮತ್ತೆ LCM ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು 1 ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆ. ಅದೇನಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಕಾಮ 1 LCM ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಒಳಗೆ. ಯಾವುದದು? 1. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್? So as per observation, only 1 in N is invertible. So only 1 is invertible. Other than 1, no element is there in the natural number to exist inverse. See, you take any number. For example, 5 you take. For what number you will get LCM 1? Nothing is there. If you take 5 comma 1, LCM is 5. LCM of 5 comma 1 is what? 5. So like that, there is no element except one. No element in the natural number will not have inverse. Okay. So only one is invertible. Okay, ma? We will go to the next problem. See this problem number 7. Is star is defined on the set A star B is equal to LCM of A and B, a binary operation. See, like previous problem only, that is on N, here on set. Some set. Whenever the set is given, we will go with the operation table. See here, solution. What is given here? Let me take, let A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, what is star? Right here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here, what is star given? A star B is equal to LCM of A and B. So, LCM of A and B means 1 LCM 1, 1 2 LCM 2, 1 3 LCM 3, 1 4 LCM 4, 1 5 LCM 5, 2 1 LCM 2, 2 2 LCM is what? It is also 2, 2 comma 2, take 2 1 2 1. Next, 2 3 LCM 6, 2 4 LCM, see here 2 4 LCM 4, 2 5 LCM 10, 3 1 LCM 3, 3 2. So 2 3 and 1 is 6, 3 2 another 6, 3 3, 3 comma 3 LCM 3 1 1. So 3, 3 4 12. 3 into 4 minus LCM of 3 and 4. Back and note 3 comma 4 LCM. 3 1 4, 4 1. 3 4 12. 3 5 are 50. 3 5 are 50. 4 1 4 1 LCM. 4 2 LCM 4. Already 2 4 other one 4 3 LCM 12. 4 4 LCM. 4 4 LCM 12. 4 1 1. 4 is the LCM. 4 5 are 20. 4 5 are 20. Next to 5 1 are 5. 5 2. 5 comma 2. 5 1 2 2 1. So 5 2 is 10. 5 3 15. 5 4 20. It is not multiplication. It is LCM. 5 5 LCM is what? 5. Observe here. In the previous problem also we discussed in the principal diagonal, the elements are symmetric. Therefore, it is commutative. Already we proved. Just I am giving example here. So, justify your answer. So, what is there happening here? Whether it is a binary operation or not, we have to check. See, in the operation table, what is the binary operation means? Because in the previous problem, natural number set, it contains all the elements. But here, set A contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the operation table, when it is set to the binary means, after doing the operation, we must have to get these elements only. Then only it is set to the binary operation. In this one, 6, 6, 12, 15, 20, 10, 12, 15, 10. All these are not the elements of set A. When it is set to the binary operation, star A cross A to A means we have to get the elements of A only. But here we get other than A also. So what I am going to write the answer justification for this one. See here 6, 10, 12, 15, 20. All these are does not belongs to A. Therefore, star is not binary. So, mattೊಂದು ಸರಿ explain ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. So set is very important. In the previous problem, natural number set, it is a binary operation with respect to the same operation. When a given set, what is happening here? We are getting some elements which are not in A. Therefore, what we can say? Therefore, star is not binary with respect to for this set given. Okay. So set is also very important in the binary operation. Throughout this topic, relations and functions, sets are very important. Be careful about what the set is given. Okay. Next. See the problem number 9. Let star be the binary operation on the set Q rational numbers as follows. Here total 6 binary operations are defined. So we have to check whether this operation, find which of the binary operations are given identity. Before that one, actually in this one, 9th one, one more is there. Find which of the binary operations are commutative and which are associated. Observe here, so on set of rational numbers, these 6 binary operations are given. We have to find whether it is a commutative or associative. This model already we did. Once again, in that one only, what is the asking 10th question? Find which of the binary operations find which of the operations given above, which of the operations given above has identity. See, totally what is asking, in every binary operation we have to check 3 properties. One is commutative, next one is associative, or thereafter we have to find identity if it contains. Sometimes it may be, sometimes it may not be. Okay, now come to the first problem. A star B. So for all A comma B belongs to Q, A star B is equal to A minus B. So minus of B minus A we can write, which can be written as B star A. So therefore A star B is not equals to B star A, it is equal to minus. Therefore star is not commutative. Next, they are asking about the associative. To do associative, see A star of B star C. What will happen? Already I told, very important bracket. A star B minus C. A star B can be written as A minus B minus. You take this as 1. A star of B star C is equal to A minus of B star C, A minus of B minus C, which can be written as A minus B plus C. So here you take this as 2. So in these 2, A minus is there, A plus C is there. So therefore what we can say, A star of B star C is not equals to A star of B star C. Therefore what we can say, star is not associated. So in the first problem, star is neither commutative nor associated. So 2 properties we check. Now A star B is equal to A minus B. See, it is a binary because it contains all the elements. It is also, now what we have to find, what value of this one, identity is asking to find identity, has identity. See, if you take A star 0 is equal to 0 star A is equal to A. Therefore what we can say, 0 is the identity element. Sorry, A star means A minus 0 is equal to A. 0 minus A, which is happening here? According to property, what is there? A star E, E star A is equal to what will actually happen? A. Then E is said to be identity. But here 0, if you take 0, A minus 0 is A, 0 minus A is not equals to A. So therefore what we can say? It does not have an identity. So in the first problem what we can say? According in the rational number set with respect to star, there will not be any identity element in the what rational numbers. Now come to the second one. Now second one, what is there? Second problem. See, in these problems I am doing both 9 and 10. Three properties they are asking. One is commutative, another one is associative, next existence of identity. In the previous problem, A star E is not equals to E star A. Therefore, what is happening here? Identity element is not there. Now come to the next one. A star B. For all A comma B belongs to Q. A star B is equal to A square plus B square. Now, which can be written as B square plus A square, which is equal to, we can write it as B star A. Therefore, star is commutative. Star is commutative. Next, what they are asking, associate. A star B star C is equal to. So what we can write? A star B whole square plus C square. A square plus B square. Now this can be written as A square plus B square whole square plus C square. You take this as 1. A star of B star C, which is equal to A square plus B star C whole square, which is equal to A square plus B star C is what? B square plus C square whole square. So clearly understanding from 1 and 2, these two are not equal. Therefore, A star of B star C is not equal to A star B star C. Therefore, star is not associated. Therefore, star is not associated. So, two properties we seen. It is commutative, but it is not associated. To get identity. So, what is the identity property? For all A belongs to Q, A star E is equal to E star A is equal to A. Anta element now togಬೇಕು. So, for example, A star E is equal to A and A square plus E square is equal to A. E square is equal to A minus A square. E is equal to root of A minus A square, which does not belong to Q. For all A belongs to Q, what is happening here? It is not belongs to Q because it becomes complex number sometimes. So what we can say, there is no identity with respect to star. There is no identity with respect to star. Once again, third property, it is commutative, it is associative. Next, when it comes to identity, I taken one element, it is the definition of identity. A star E is equal to A square plus E square. By the definition of this one, A square plus E square is equal to, we have to get A. E square is equal to A minus A square. So when you take 2 minus 4, negative means it will become complex number, it won't get Q. So therefore what we can say? Therefore, identity with respect to star does not exist in. So identity is not there according to this operation. Okay, now next. See the third problem. So whenever identity comes, you have to check like that. See here, third problem. A star solution. Third problem solution. Let A comma B belongs to Q. A star B is given as what? A plus A. So now we cannot, which is not equal to, now B star A, we can rewrite it B plus BA. So B plus A. So it is A plus A and B plus A. So therefore what we can say, A star B is not equal to B star A. Therefore star is not commutative. Not commutative. Next. To prove associative, A star B, according to the definition of this one, A star B plus A star B into C. Observe here, I already told in the previous problem, when proving associative, you must be very careful. You take this as A star B, A plus AB. Now A plus AB plus A plus AB into C. Finally, A plus AB, AC plus ABC. Now, A star of B star C. A plus B star C. A plus AB. AB means A into B star C, which is equal to A plus A of B plus BC. B plus BC, which is equal to A plus AB plus ABC. So A plus AB, ABC, A plus AB, ABC. The AC extra is there, but here AC is not there. So A star of B star C is not equal to A star B star C. Therefore, star is not associated. Now to find identity. See, that's why method is fixed for all A belongs to Q. A star E star A is equal to A. Then E is said to be identity element. So here, according to the definition, A star A is equal to A. A plus, by the definition of this one, A plus AE is equal to A. A will get cancelled. AE is equal to 0. So E is equal to 0, which belongs to. So now E star A is equal to E plus AE is equal to A. Both are to satisfy. Then only identity. In the previous problem, we checked only one thing, other one was not checked. See, in the first element itself, we not got complex number we got. So that's why there we not discussed about the E star E. Only we discussed about the A star E. Here I checked A star A. When you take A star E, we are getting A. E is an element Q, but we cannot decide. E star A. E star A is now we won't get any E is what here? 1 plus A by A, which is equal to A by A plus 1 plus A, which is belongs to Q, but identity must be unique. Identity must be unique. So finally what we can say, with respect to this star in Q, identity element does not exist. Next, observe carefully the videos one. Even after sending the notes also, you once again see the video and check the notes. Next, we come to the next problem. Fourth one. For all A comma B belongs to Q, A star B is equal to A minus B whole square. Now because of whole square we can write B minus A whole square. B minus A can be written as B star A. Therefore A star B is equal to B star A. Hence star is commutative. Now to prove associative, A star of B star C is equal to A minus of B star C whole square. A minus of B minus C whole square inside whole square. You take this as 1. A star B star C. A star B minus C whole square. Next here A minus B whole square minus C whole square. Observe these two, 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, what we can say? A star B is not equals to B star, sorry, A star of B star C is not equals to A star of B star C. Therefore, star is not associated. See here, star is neither commutative nor associative. Now, to come to the identity. To prove identity, A star E for all A belongs to Q. A star E, E star A is equal to A. Then A is said to be identity. So, A star E is equal to what? A minus B whole square. So, sorry, is equal to A. A minus C whole square is equal to A. Now, what we will not get any element. So, what we will get, even if you take E is equal to 0, E is equal to 0, you will get A square. So, what we can say, A square minus 2AE plus E square is equal to A. So, there is no element E. What we can say, there is no element E in Q such that, which is happening, A star E, E star A is equal to A. Therefore, in this case also, the element, the set Q will not have identity element in Q with respect to star. See, in all 4 cases, while finding identity, in different problem we have different situation. So try to follow this one along with the class. You check the notes what I am going to send to you. Take the notes and check this one. Then only you will understand very clearly about the identity. It is easy. Already in commutative associative we did many problems previously. Here also we are clearly getting. You may get little bit confusion at identity. So my request to all the students, before checking the identity property, please go through the notes what I am going to send. Okay? Then after you see the identity. Next. 5th problem. 5th problem. Method is same. 5th one. Let A comma B belongs to, for all A comma B belongs to Q, A star B is equal to AB by 4. Now, A star B is equal to AB by 4, which can be written as BA by 4, which can be written as B star A. Therefore, A star B is equal to B star A. Hence, star is commutative. Next. A star of B star C. A of B star C by 4 means AB by 4. Next, A by 4 keep aside. BC by 4, ABC by 16. You take this as now A star B star C. So A star B into C by 4, AB by 4 into C by 4, ABC by 16. You take this as 2. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, A star of B star C is equal to A star B star C. Therefore, what we can say, star is associated. See, till up to right now we got commutative and associative we did. In up to 4th problem, we got a problem to find identity in every problem. Let us see identity in the fifth problem. For all A belongs to E, A belongs to Q, there exists E belongs to Q such that A star E, E star A is equal to, we have to check E is there or A. Now AE by 4 is equal to A, E is equal to 4 in this case. Now here also EA by 4 is equal to A, E is equal to 4. In both the cases we got same 4, therefore 4 is what? Identity. 4 is identity element in Q with respect to star. So up to fourth problem we not got any identity element because there is no element satisfying both A star E, E star A is equal to A. So in the fifth problem case we got an element 4 which is in a Q, that must be in Q, then only that is identity. In the first problem, in the second problem we got complex number. In the first problem we got problem with A star E, E star A is equal to A. So in the problem 5, it is satisfying the property of identity. Once again observe carefully, A star E, E star A is equal to A, then E is said to be identity element, that E must be in the given set. What is the given set here? Rational numbers. So here A star E is AE by 4 is equal to A I taken. E star A, EA by 4 is equal to A taken. E is equal to 4, E is equal to 4. In both cases we got the same element. That too the element is in given set. Therefore 4 is the identity element in Q with respect to this star. So mention of set and with respect to which operation. Both are very important here. Next, last problem, sixth one. A star B is equal to AB square. So B star A, what will happen? BA square. So AB square is not equal to BA square. Therefore A star B is not equal to B star A. Therefore star is not counted. Star is not counted. Next, when it comes to associate, A B square is there, no? A B square means B star C whole square. A B square. A into B C square whole square. So A into B square C power 4. A B square C power 4, which is equal to, we take it as 1. Next. So A star B star C, A B square is C square. A B square C square, which is equal to A B square C square. You take this as 2. Therefore, A star of B star C is not equal to A star of B star C. Therefore, star is not associated. So, both property is completed. Now, come to the identity. Let A belongs to Q. A star E, E star A is equal to A. Now, A E square is equal to E. E get cancelled 1 by A in the this one. Sorry. A star A will get cancelled. A square is equal to A. Here A square is equal to E. So A will get cancelled. E square is equal to 1. Here A will get cancelled. A is equal to 1 by. Sorry. E is equal to 1 by A we are getting. So in both cases we are not getting the same identity like previous problem. Therefore, what we can say? Therefore, there is no identity. There is no identity in Q with respect to star. So, with respect to star, if we ain't define one to other. So, it's a varies from problem to problem. So, finally, commutative, associative I explained, and getting extra problem is here is identity. So it is covering both 9 and 10. So in this operation only, for fifth one, sixth one, identity is not there. Only fifth problem having identity, because that satisfies A star E is equal to A, and E is also element of Q. Okay, ma'am? So this completes 9th and 10th problem. Okay, see, still in this one 3 problems are there. That problems I will send through notes. I hope you can understand that one in the notes only. So this completes the total chapter, first chapter, relations and functions. I hope you understood very well this topic. If you have any doubts while preparation, please call to me. Feel free to call to me, or otherwise you can send WhatsApp. We will discuss that. Anything doubts you have, we will discuss. Okay, thank you very much.